I would like also to take this opportunity that Kuya Bang, Generoso Timamarel is the full name, and they call me during childhood Hini, would have very much appreciated the aspiration of Bongbong in relation to economic development for the whole of Pangasinan. See, we have Pangasinan is surrounded by sea, and if we look at it, we are very near China, Taiwan, Japan, Korea, and the one of the project that is being uttered by Bongbong is that to develop the shipping lane, the shipping activity of our country. And we hope that he could focus his eyes also here in Pangasinan to have our port, seaport, shipbuilding, ship repair, as I am a chief engineer on board, and I've seen the difference of having our product be exported to other country rather than taking a product of other country. So we have been using our resources to avail of something which we do not produce. The production of farm products and utilization of our vast farmland, then we might be able to compete in the production of the necessarily goods, vegetables, fruits that are found here in a tropical country for the use or for the consumption of those countries that are having a 2 or 3 weather within a year. Take for example the mangoes. You see what happened is 10 or 15 years ago, our mango are the best in the Philippines. But due to sickness of our product or the things that are happening to mangoes, the production have lessened, the costs have dropped down. Then one thing is we cannot freely export our mangoes to Japan, who is the biggest consumer that is very near to our country. Also, Korea, Taiwan. So we could have utilized the overproduction into making a new form of product. It is not available to them because they are having winter, the weather is not suitable to produce mangoes. So there are so many other products that we can increase the quality in order that this product would be acceptable to different standards of other countries like Singapore, Taiwan, Hong Kong, where they don't have enough vast of land to grow their own products. So, but first, with the with Bongbong mind that he has in mind is that first you should have or you should be able to bring out your product in order that you can elevate the situation of the farmers, the producing families, rather than having them lying to be rotten in the farm, because it is more cheap to buy the imported products rather than the domestic product, because the abundance that is being brought into the country was making the prices of this product go down. So I can remember I was about 18 years old during that time wherein there was a very good plan of the president before where we can utilize and have our product like the kadiwa. We have to patronize our own product rather than utilizing or buying those imported products in order that we should help the farmers to have an available or enough to produce more and have their product in a quality-based scenario. Our support to our BBM or Bongbong Marcos, BBM Pilipinas, as we strongly support Bongbong because of the aspiration that he can do something for our country in terms of economic development and utilization of our product for export quality, and of course to bring a harmonious relationship between the ongoing different parties. So doon we have seen, or BBM Pilipinas have seen since 2015 how he would like to unite the different political parties into one. And having said that, the intention is to fully develop our country because we are lagging behind with the Southeast Asian, with our Southeast Asian neighbors. So, doon namin nakikita na yung pagmamalasakit, pagmamahal sa bayan, yun ang primary concern ng ating Bongbong Marcos. It's not about the political aspect, but it is what is in his heart to develop this nation to be most probably at par with the ongoing development in the world. So, si Bongbong, we have seen how sincere he is to unite the whole country. It's not about politics, it's not about, because on the first place he have selected a young small political party without affiliating himself to any other party or a big one in order to accommodate everybody and help this nation to move forward and achieve the needed development that we should have done some 30 years back. So, we are hoping that each and every one, as you can see with the participation of the different group, which I would like to say thank you to them for a very wonderful support, a united aspiration to bring Bongbong back to lead our country. So, maraming salamat po at wag po tayong magsawa suportahan si Bongbong Marcos sa abot ng ating magagawa upang magkaroon ng pagbabago dito sa ating bansa. Mabuhay po si Bongbong. Uulitin ko, maraming salamat sa kanilang lahat na nakipag-participate sa ating munting ambag na suporta sa ating magiging Pangulo. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-join, nag-participate, nagsakripisyo, maski nagugutom, naiinitan, tinitiis upang maipakita ang suporta at sana tuloy-tuloy walang atrasan. Mabuhay po si Bongbong Marcos.